Hey, welcome back to Azure Bites. Quick fact, a typical ChatGPT conversation uses about half a liter of water. Wait, what? AI drinks water? Yeah, let me explain. Have you ever cleaned your phone storage? Deleted old screenshots, removed junk videos, cleared your trash folder because it felt unnecessary? What if I told you doing that can actually save water? How does deleting a random meme save water somewhere on Earth? Because your files don't disappear into the sky, they live inside massive cloud data centers, and those data centers need water just to stay alive. The cloud is not just powered by electricity, it's powered by cooling, and cooling means water. Today's episode is about the hidden truth. The cloud drinks water. Let's dive in. So why does the cloud even need water? Because cloud data centers are basically giant buildings full of servers. Thousands, sometimes millions. And servers get hot. Like oven-level hot. So companies like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon have to cool them down 24/7. That cooling often uses water-based systems. So yes, every photo you upload, every video you stream, every AI question you ask, somewhere a data center is working and drinking water to stay cool. Here's a real example. When you stream a Netflix movie, the data travels through data centers. Those servers process your request, retrieve the video, send it to your device, all while generating heat. That heat has to go somewhere. Water-based cooling systems absorb it. The water heats up, gets cycled through cooling towers, evaporates into the air. So yes, your Netflix binge literally evaporates water into the atmosphere. Wild, right? Now here's where it gets really crazy. That ChatGPT conversation we talked about, half a liter of water, that's just one conversation. But what about all the conversations? What about all the data? What about the entire cloud? Let me put this in perspective. Right now, as I'm talking to you, Google's data centers are using 670 liters of water. Every single second. That's 3 bathtubs, filling up, draining, filling again. Every second. Non-stop, 24/7. In one day, Google uses 58 million liters. That's 23 Olympic swimming pools. Every single day. Microsoft? 17 million liters per day. Another 7 Olympic pools. Amazon? We don't have official figures for that, but it's likely even more. The 3 biggest cloud providers combined, conservatively, at least 100 million liters per day. That's a small city's worth of water, every single day, just to keep the cloud running. And AI workloads? Making it worse. Training GPT-3 used 700,000 liters of water. That's enough to fill 280 Olympic pools, just to teach AI how to talk. So the cloud isn't just digital, it has a physical footprint: electricity, steel, concrete, and water. Lots of water. Now, the question you're asking, does deleting one photo actually help? Honestly, not much. But here's what does help: not storing unnecessary data in the first place. That documents folder with 10,000 old emails, those duplicate photos from 2019, that video project file you'll never touch again, all of that lives on servers, being cooled, 24/7. So yes, spring cleaning your cloud storage? That actually matters. Delete what you don't need. Don't upload what you don't want. Don't keep 5 copies of the same thing. Small actions, multiplied by billions of users. That's how change happens. The good news? Google and Microsoft are taking this seriously. Google replenished more water than they used in 2022. Microsoft is investing in water-positive data centers. Both companies have committed to being water-positive by 2030. That means replenishing more water than they consume. They're also using recycled wastewater for cooling, building water-free cooling systems, running on renewable energy, designing more efficient data centers, locating facilities near sustainable water sources. Azure even has sustainability goals built into their infrastructure. So yes, the cloud drinks water, but the companies are working to give it back. The cloud is getting smarter and greener. So here's your takeaway. The cloud is not magic. It's not up there somewhere floating. It's in buildings, running on electricity, cooled by water, maintained by people. And that means your choices matter. Delete what you don't need. Don't store duplicates. Think before you upload. Because somewhere, in a data center you'll never see, servers are humming, and water is flowing, just to keep your data alive. The cloud is powerful, but it's also physical, and now you know the truth. Thanks for watching Azure Bites. Drop a comment. Did you ever imagine the cloud used water? And hey, maybe go delete some old files after this. See you soon!